are famous, Vicky Naki. You have a lot of watching right now.
Where are you? Oh, you're from the Philippines.
Yeah, I'm from Philippines.
Okay.
Nice meeting you, nice meeting you. Yeah, nice meeting you too, brother. Nice meeting you too.
Nice meeting you.
Alright, where are you from?
Play one game, huh?
Oh, one game only. Where are you from?
Indonesia, bro.
Oh, Indonesia. You have a famous, you have 1.9 million followers.
No, bro.
Yes, I'll follow you so that I become
That was
one. Yes. Oh, they have a lot of Filipina, right? You are so handsome, oh. They saying handsome. Filipina. Yes. Yeah. Reading the comments of Filipina because Filipina, like, no. Oh. What is your content, bro?
I talk to people from all different, like different countries and stuff, different languages. I speak different languages and stuff like that. So yeah.
Yeah, you're intelligent and you're brilliant. Yes. Artist in Indonesia. Okay. You're an actor?
No. I'm just a normal guy.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, just a
Me
normal.
too, like, yes.
Yes, brother. We're the same.
Yes, double tap, guys.
Right, guys. Everybody,
Double tap, guys.
tap layar, guys. Everybody tap.
Double tap.
Firdaus, thank you
YouTuber.
so much.
Okay.
Thank you, Firdaus. All right, guys.
Yes,
Semuanya.
yes.
Let's go. This is our last match. Please, everybody tap and enjoy.
Yeah, okay. Double tap, guys. Double tap, guys. Mabila na usahay na kay daghan na kayo listen na kayo ni dire kay taas na kayo.
This is mudah-mudahan dapat sarung tangan ya, mudah-mudahan. Kalau menang.
Yes. Yeah. I pray PG Jilin, hi PB Jin. Yes. Someone asked here, bro, how old are you?
I'm 24.
Oh, very young, guys.
How old are you, bro?
I'm 28. I'm 28, bro.
Gosh, dude,
Yes.
bro, you look like you're my age, man.
No. Like
Yes.
a filter.
No.
Yeah, I'm using filter. Yes, 6 guys, 6 roses, guys. Mas bata. Baka, no. Maybe like...
Bye bang, gue besok sekolah. Halo, akun random, bye-bye.
Nothing.
Yang sekolah yang
Because
kerja.
maybe I do nothing. That's why I have a lot of mamasang here. Kissman. Oy.
Jule, thank you so much. Jule.
2 roses, guys.
Thank you, Jule.
Yeah, he's nice. He's humble. Not like the other country, very rude.
Tapi kayaknya mereka enggak terlalu ini, santai aja guys. Jule, thank you so much guys. Thank you Jule. Karasevda, thank you so much.
Hey, I subscribe you, Vicky.
Oh, okay.
Okay, what is your content?
I make vlogs. I make TV videos. You can check it out.
Okay.
Yeah.
How long you been here? Oh, you have 6 million followers in YouTube. Oh, so famous. You're my idol. Oh, my idol. Oh, you have like a content like woman? Yes, I will follow you because that's my content also in Facebook so that I can some ideas like
Okay.
pick-up lines, like pick-up lines. Yes, I will
No,
subscribe.
I don't do that. I don't do pickup lines.
Why not? What is it?
Ouch! It's a cavity. Have a good brushing routine. Switch to Oral-B Electric with this and change your
Nice
routine.
meeting you, nice
Unlike
meeting
an
you.
ordinary brush
Nice
that
meeting
leaves
you,
more
bro.
plaque behind, Oral-B Electric's round head removes up to 100% more plaque. Good
Guys, do follow this guy, guys. Do follow, guys. He's a nice guy.
cavities. Oral-B.
Yeah, you have all of it.
Gulat ka?
Oh, you have commercial, Filipino commercial.
Linis para magaputing at fresh pa. Tapos linis para tayo.
The ads.
Green.
Ow! Like that?
Great.
Oh, very beautiful!
I like your teeth.
Same here.
Yeah, you're welcome. Who's that?
Okay.
Who's that guy?
Okay. Later. I will use all my spare time to watch that.
Okay, bro. Thank you so much.
Yeah, nice meeting you. Nice meeting you, bro. Thank
Nice meeting you. Have a nice day, man.
Yeah, have a nice day, man. Oh,